Yes, my soldier.
How are you?
Lion part. Put that, spread your finger like this.
Lion.
That's lion.
Bro, I have a book match with your shirt.
Oh yeah?
Check
Come
cool.
on, man.
Yeah, I have to take it if you want.
Man, come
Can I have a seat?
Come on. You can bring in books, you know.
Yeah, books.
Power.
I appreciate that, my soldier.
Was it?
Thank you, man. Yeah? So, what's your name, though?
My name is Tija, but Tija is my Muslim name. My real name is Nuno Mendes.
Lagos, Falle, Africa. Oh, yeah. Ancestors, I watch it. Lord of mercy, guide and protect me from your evil. Not another who control the highway.